Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wasallam. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Hello everyone. So today is Monday, 27th of April 2020, third lesson for this week. So we have looked at multiplying fractions with whole numbers, something like this, 3 times 5 over 6. So we have look at that. Next, we have looked at multiplying with proper fractions. For example, 1 over 3 times 5 over 6. We have done that as well. So, next, our lesson for today would be multiplying fractions with mixed number. Remember what a mixed number? Mixed numbers. So, mixed numbers. Remember, yang ada father, ada mother, ada kid. Okay? This is what you call mixed numbers. Alright. So let's start. Example 1. 1 over 2 times as simple as 1 whole 1 over 2. What are you going to do with this? This is multiply. It's not plus, it's not minus. So we have, what is this, proper or improper? Proper. So we have proper fraction times mixed number. Can you multiply right away? Of course not. So you need to change one of them first. Which one would you want to change? This one. Okay, change this to improper fraction. How? What method do you use? Remember? What do you call it? So step 1, change mix. I'll just write down mix here. Mix to improper using clock method. Okay, remember the clock method? This one. Times and then you plus. Okay? Now, I know some of you tend to do careless mistake. Okay? I need you to do this working yang ada cloud here. Yang teacher ajar last year. Okay? So, 1 by 1. 1 times 2 dulu. 1 times 2. What is 1 times 2? 2. Okay? 1 times 2 is 2. So, 2, bawa turun ke bawah. 2 plus berapa? Plus 1. Which is 3. Okay? And then bagi cloud. Circle the 3. Why do I need to circle the 3? You'll know later. Okay, supaya kamu not confused. Okay, so 1 over 2 bawa turun ke bawah. 1 over 2 times. Now, 3, we're changing it to improper fraction, right? So 3 over, what's the denominator? The denominator is 2. The denominator stays the same. So we have 1 over 2 times 3 over 2. Oh, wait, this looks familiar. What is this? Proper fraction times proper fractions. Our previous lesson last Saturday. Okay, so what do we know? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Okay, that's number 2. So, numerator, multiply numerator with numerator. Multiply denominator with denominator. Okay? So, numerator with numerator. So that's 1 times 3 over denominator times denominator. 2 times 2. What is 1 times 3? 3. 2 times 2. 4. The answer is 3 over 4. Can you simplify? If yes, then simplify. If no, then no. And that's your answer. Easy? Okay, next example. Example 2. So we have 3 whole 1 over 2 times 6 over 7. Whole number times proper fraction. Step 1. Change mix to improper using the clock method. So here, clock method, 3, the whole times the denominator times, and then you plus. Again, like I said, I need to see this clock method punya working DC ring with a cloud. I need to know what you're doing, or I need to know if you understand what you're doing. So 3 times 2, write it down here. What is 3 times 2? 6. Okay. 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 plus 1, which is 7. Okay, bulatkan 7. Make clouds around it. Then this becomes 7 over 2. Denominator, 7 over 2. Okay, bukannya 7 over 6 Bukannya yang di bawah, ambil yang di atas. No. Circle 7. 7 is the numerator. What's the denominator? 2. The denominator is the same. Okay. Times, turunkan ke bawah, 7 over 6. Special. Tell me why it's special. Those who have watched Saturday's lesson will know why these two fractions are special. What's so special about it? What's so special about it? The diagonal are the same. So you can cancel. Okay, when you cancel, this becomes 1 and this becomes 1. Okay, so yang tinggal ialah 1. Okay, pasal jadi 1 kan? Times numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Times 6 over 2, denominator times, apa yang jadi sini? 1. Okay, which is still the same. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so 6 over 2. Let me write it down atas lagi sikit supaya kamu nampak. 6 over 2. Can you simplify? Of course you can. This means 6 divided by 2. Answer? 3. Okay? Alright, last one for today. Example 3. So we have 2 whole 5 over 6 times 5 over 6. Step 1. Change mix to improper. So times and then you plus. Working sebelah sini. So 2 times 6 equal to 12. 12 plus 5 equal to 17. Okay, so circle 17. Make clouds around them so that I know you're doing your working. Then this becomes 17 over, what's the denominator? 6. Okay. Bawah ni turun ke bawah times 5 over 6. Okay. Step 2, multiply numerator with numerator. So these are the numerators. This becomes 17 times 5 over step 3, multiply denominator with denominator. So you have 6 times 6. Okay, what is 17 times 5? From my calculation, it's 85 over, what is 6 times 6? What is 6 times 6? 36. Okay? Then check if you can simplify or not. This one. Alright, so for today, your exercise would be, you actually have, you have 3 pages of exercises. 2 page yang teacher bagi are your learning pack, teacher staple together with the notes. That one is page 103 and 104. After you have done this, you can do green book, page 103. Okay, after you have done these 3, page 103, 104 yang worksheet teacher bagi, and then green book page 103, you can send photos to teacher, and then teacher marking, and then you can cut, gunting dan lakat cut and paste notes for today, which is Monday, and exercise kertas yang teacher bagi, this one, worksheet page 103 and 104 in your maths big book. Please use pencil, everyone. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can text me privately on my WhatsApp. That's all for today. Good luck, everyone.